Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix broken links in Squarespace. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do here is you need to go to squarespace.com, log in into your account, and access your dashboard. Now from here, we need to access our website. So in this case, I want to access this one. Let's go and click on the go to website button here, and it should redirect us to our website. Now, what we need to do is we need to access our settings. So at the bottom left in our left panel here, go ahead and click on settings. And from here, you need to go to developer tools. Now, under developer tools, look for the URL mappings option here. And once you click on it, you should be able to see URL mappings here. Now, the great thing about Squarespace here is it actually gives you a quick overview on what to do in this section here. So first is you need to indicate your old URL. So for example, maybe I have a journal URL that I currently have. Now in this case, maybe I want to change this to maybe journal page. Now for us to do that, what we need to do is we just need to add a dash or a arrow next to it. So in this case, go ahead and indicate an arrow here. Go ahead and type that, and from here you need to indicate the new URL that you want to actually add or use for this one. So maybe I want to say journal page. Now from here you need to indicate either 301 or 302. So you might be wondering what is the difference between these two. Well, 301 is actually more of a permanent way of setting your URL or your URL mapping here. So it means like if you're really sure that you want to set this to the following, you go ahead and choose 301. But if you want to have a more temporary solution, well, 302 is the way to go. So for example, I'm going to say this is going to be 301. Now in this case, once you've entered this code here, what you need to do is you just need to click on the save at the top right of your screen to save your changes. Now if you want to learn more on how to actually use this one, you can just click on the what is the difference option and then click for more help regarding URL mappings. But in this case, there are going to be examples that you could use or see here, as you can see, the following one. And from here on, you should be good. And hopefully, you'll be able to fix your broken URL or broken links in Squarespace. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.